just had a commando raid visit to Sephora. Aisya was in and out in less than 10 minutes. Alright, this is amazing. Sephora is normally where men go to die. I narrowly...
Except with Aisya.
Yes. With Aisya, it's like I said, it's like a commando. Okay, welcome to another adventure-filled video. Tonight, I'm joined by two friends, Aisya, Marlina. Aisya and I used to work together, and you might have seen her in other videos where she played the character known as Miss Info.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are here at a Thai restaurant getting ready for Buka Puasa, which means breaking fast during Ramadan. We're going to be eating Thai food tonight, so I'm looking forward to this. Okay, this is called volcano beef, and this is beef strips with, I want to say sambal, but it's some kind of sauce, I'm sure.
You said dipping sauce.
Dipping, probably sweet and spicy. Gotta get everything on tape. Aisya is eating dates, which I believe is a ancient Arabic tradition. Am I right?
Eating dates or hoping to get a date.
The purpose of our video tonight is going to be eating. We're going to show you how we eat here in Malaysia. We eat with chopsticks, fork and spoon, and most importantly, we eat with our fingers. But I'm not sure we're going to be eating with our fingers this evening. Okay, I think I'm better at chopsticks than Aisya.
This is how you use chopsticks.
And Marlina is hiding over here.
Because this is not the right way to hold the chopsticks.
Wait,
You have a very unique way of using chopsticks.
you're saying this is the right way?
No, this is not the right way.
Okay,
It's a unique way.
I would think so.
You can get my food.
As long as you can eat.
That's the key. As long as you don't starve to death, it's okay. Aisya's redeeming herself with the chopsticks. Go ahead, I dare you.
Too hard.
This is the Bill method. Bill holds one chopstick in his hand, thus so, and then the other one in your fingers. And you pick up whatever it is you're picking up,
Yeah.
and then eat.
His name is Bill.
What are you doing? You're eating, what is that, an oyster? A clam?
Muscle.
Mussel. Some kind of shellfish.
Yeah. Very tough.
That's why they call it a mussel.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Okay, that was a bad one. A bad joke.
Terbukti berkesan meredakan stres. Maklumat lanjut
Okay, action. Aisya is now demonstrating how to use a fork and a spoon for de-shelling A shrimp.
Kita kembali kepada Fitra. Sekarang ini refleksi di Surya. Di Surya.
You're making me nervous, Mr. Bill.
I know this is high pressure. I know.
Oh my god, I'm so stressed.
That's why this is the most interesting channel on YouTube.
You didn't stop terrible. It's not working.
My viewers are abandoning the show.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm shaking.
You've got to make this a little more interesting. I'm going to have to set myself on fire. Your parents will see this, they'll be so proud. Aisya, another fun and adventure-filled video. Maybe. We'll see if it ever gets published.
Hope I'm not fooling myself.
Aisya has a huge fan base here in Malaysia.
Yeah, I'm a celebrity.
This could be the end of her career, however. We'll see.
Mr. Bill is ruining my career. Thank you, Mr. Bill.
Alright, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And subscribe, for Pete's sakes.
For free pizza.
All your wildest dreams will come true if you subscribe to this channel. Go ahead, I dare you, try it.
And have a nightmare.